Supreme Court on June 17th strongly condemned cyber criminals, describing them as parasites who prey on innocent investors and stating that they must be dealt with sternly. A bench comprising Chief Justice Surya and Justice V. Mohana made the remarks while refusing to entertain a plea seeking the clubbing of multiple FIRs registered in different states against a man accused of investment fraud. During the hearing, the Chief Justice said cyber fraudsters treat people across different parts of the country, often committing offences in one state before moving to another. The bench observed that society's interests would be best served if cyber criminals remained behind the bars and directed the petitioner to approach the jurisdictional high court. The observations came amid a surge in cybercrimes, including fake investment schemes, digital arrest scams, phishing attacks, and cryptocurrency frauds. Data cited before the court showed that Indians lost more than 3,000 crore rupees to digital fraud by last year, while over 86,000 cybercrime cases were reportedly between 2021 to 2023. So viewers, do you think current measures to tackle cybercrime are sufficient, or is there a need for stronger safeguards? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.